Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dudios Zeus Air wireless earbuds. Alright, so I picked up a pair of these wireless earbuds. I was doing some research on Amazon and I found this pair. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Dudios. And I wanted a pair of wireless earbuds because I currently have these, which are the MPOW wireless headphones, and I use them all the time. They're great, but I also wanted something that was a little bit smaller because as you can see, these are big and they're great. Like, I love how it's an over ear and it covers my ear. I wear these all the time when I'm working out or when I'm cooking. Now, although I love them, the downside is depending on my workout, sometimes if I'm laying down on the bench or laying down on the ground, when I'm wearing these headphones, they kind of like slide back a little bit. And then, yeah, I do make them tighter, but then if I make them tighter, then it's like scratching on the top of my head. And it's just sometimes not ideal when I'm doing certain types of workouts. Also, just sometimes I don't feel like wearing these big things because it messes up my hair, and I just want a little earbud that I can just put in sometimes. So that's where these come into play, and let's do an unboxing. So it came just like this, really tiny box, and this is my first pair of wireless earbuds. I don't have any pre-existing experience with them. I just basically went by my search on Amazon. These seem to be one of the better ones for the price because it was less than, in Canadian dollars, it was less than $40, and in US dollars, it was less than $30. So it was pretty cheap compared to some of the other bigger brands, and I wasn't really willing to drop, like $100 on a pair of earbuds. So right away, I can see here that it says IPX4, and it's got a bunch of raindrops. And I believe that that means that it is splash proof, so you obviously can't, put these underwater. And the battery says that it lasts about 4 hours of playing time. So let's do the unboxing here. Okay. Oh, just like that. Okay. Or maybe was this supposed to be on top? No. Okay. So they come just like this here. And let's remove this. I'll put this down and look at this last. So we've got here, these look like the extra pieces, like if you want to do a replacement or change the size of the actual earbud. So we have 3 pairs, and they are each different sizes. So I'll try out the current one and see if I need to actually change them. Next, we've got the charging cord. This looks really, really short. Okay, so we've got a really, okay, there we go, charging cord. Quick start guide. What does it say here? Take earphones out, push out the left and right earphone. Okay, charging. Please do not use any type of quick charger to charge the earphones and the case. So don't use, it says here, do not use any other type of cord other than this cord because you might end up damaging the earbud. And you've got a 12-month hassle-free warranty. Cool. Next, we've got the user manual. All right, so now the actual earbuds. So this is what they look like. Let's take them out of the case, this little plastic thing. And from what I read, this is the case. I thought that this was just like a holder. Well, it is a holder, but I thought that there would be another thing to cover it, because as you can see, there is no actual cover. So that's something to note, that if you're going to be putting this in your bag, in your purse, in your pocket, stuff might get into these crevices here. So you might want to put it in like another tiny pouch or something before you put it in your purse or bag, just so that, you know, dirt or little papers or whatever don't actually get in your earbuds. And I can see here on the back that this is got the charging port. So take this here and you plug it like so, and then you plug this probably to your laptop or your USB charging ports. Okay, so let's actually take one of these out. So it said to pull it like that. And you can feel right away that they are magnetic and they're actually already lighting up. So this thing is a charging dock station. So let's say you run out of battery on your earbuds and you need a quick charge, but you don't actually have your cord or anything. You can actually place them back in here and it just snapped into place because it was magnetic, and they will start charging. And it says here that this can actually do an extra charge of 15 hours. So you've got 4 hours of playing time and then an extra 15 with this charging case. So let's remove the actual earbud again. And this, it says here in very tiny lettering, you probably can't see it, but it'll say like which ear it's for. This one is for the right ear, and it's got one big button here that you can click. And from what I read, you click the button, that's going to be like a stop and play. You click it twice and that is going to skip to the song or skip it backward, depending on if you double click the left ear or the right ear. And when you're done with your earbuds, done listening to them, when you put them back in place, you just like let them do a little magnetic thing, and you don't need to physically turn them off. Not like with my headphones. That's the power button. I have to turn that off, otherwise it's just going to stay on. You can see that this light still stays on, but that's eventually going to turn off. And when you take out the earbuds, it's automatically going to try and pair with your Bluetooth. So I'm going to take them out right now, and I'm actually going to do a pairing with them. So I've taken them out, and this is what they look like. They look really tiny. I'm excited to wear these and try them out and see how they feel. So I've got my phone here. They are flashing. One of them is actually flashing. And then I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth. And right away I can see here Dudios Zeus Air. Right there. And then I'm going to click on them. And it says here that I'm connected. So let me just see if I can play something right now. So yeah, they're on right now and they're playing. So it's really easy to connect. I do like the magnetic feature that they have, that you literally just like hover them over and they'll click into place by themselves. You don't need to do it. And as you can see, they're both on right now. And let me just do a test here to see like if these are actually going to fall out, because, you know, it's bothering me that there isn't a cover. I would be putting this in a pouch first before I put it in a bag, then just putting it in like this, just because I don't want them to get dirty. So they seem to be pretty in there. So it's not actually an issue of them falling out, but stuff getting in. But overall, the look, the feel, and from what I just tested with the audio, I mean, for 39 bucks Canadian, it's what I'm looking for. These are for, you know, when I'm walking out and about, in the gym, cooking, cleaning. I love listening to music. So, you know, these definitely look like they're a good quality wireless earbud. I'm definitely excited to try these out, as these are my first set of wireless earbuds. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Dudios Zeus Air wireless earbuds. If you guys are interested in checking them out, head down to the description below as I will have the Amazon links for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.